welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you guys that I received my Walmart baby registry box. Here it is. I wasn't expecting actually to get these just because it took a long time and I wasn't sure if I did the registry correctly. When I went to the Walmart store, they told me they didn't do baby registry boxes, so I was like, okay, no big deal. I created a baby registry online and then I ended up Googling Walmart baby registry boxes and it redirected me into a link. After I created my Walmart baby registry, they requested for me to send that link and then transfer it into that page, and then they ask you for your address, your information, and then they send you the box. But like I said, it's been so long, and with the coronavirus, I didn't think I was gonna get it, and because I saw that not that many people received their boxes, I wasn't sure I was gonna get it. So I'm surprised, and I'm glad I received it, and I'm ready to show you guys. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Ooh, it says Walmart.com special delivery, a bundle of joy for you and your little one. And this is what comes in it. We have the Tummy TB 0 to 6 month nighttime pacifier. So this is it. And then you have a Huggies special delivery perfect diaper. So, and this is a size 1 and it comes 3 diapers in here. Then we have another pacifier, and this is from the brand Mom, and it's for newborns. And I have another Johnson Cotton Touch face and body lotion. And I love smelling these things because they always smell delicious. I love smelling baby stuff. They just smell so good. And we have Grip water. I heard great things about Grip water because it helps if your baby's colicky, if they have gas, or just a stomach discomfort. And a lot of people, I've been told, they use this and it's good. We'll see how it goes and if I'll get to use it. And then we have the Stretch Mark body lotion. Have you guys tried these? Because at the beginning of my pregnancy, I purchased the actual bottle, and the smell was too strong for me. It's just, I was so sensitive to everything. Hopefully I can get try it again, and because I still have the box. And this is the Dr. Brown bottle, anti-colic. So I don't know, what are your thoughts? Have you tried these? I heard great things, but we'll see, because all babies like different stuff. And then we have Highlands Baby Oral Pain Relief, and it has a little coupon on the back, so this will be good when they start teething. And then we have the stroller and car seat buying guide, and on the back it has the accessories, and it just gives you a few ideas on what kind of strollers you should get and whatnot, so that's good to have. And then we just have a little pamphlet that talks about the Palmer's Stretch Mark lotion oil, so that's that. And a Medela code. You probably scan this and you put it on your registry, I'm guessing. And then we have envelope. I'm guessing there's coupons and a book or something. That's what it feels like. So let's see what's in here. Oh, this is so cute. So it has the months, like 1 month old, and on the back it tells you like something that you can add to your registry with the code, like items that you might need and so on. And then a puppy, month 2, and all the way to 12 months, and then every single one has an item that you might need. And it has I walked today, and then you get to put whatever you would like to add to your list. I stood up today, and I crawled today. These are really cute milestone cards, and that's all I got. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. So other than that, have a great day, and I'll see you soon with another unboxing video. Bye!